Today we talk about how can you get starter plan on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on plan here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on choose plan here. So then it's going to take you to this list and you click here on select start here. Then you just switch into open video here if you want to choose monthly or yearly here. Add here your business address and here your here your address, and here if you want to add it, and here your card information. Then you click here on continue, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.